Ready? Alright, so here with two leaders of the Mona High School Manning Cup team. We have Akeem Bernard and Dante Peralto. First of all, talk to me about the game. I want to get it from two players on the pitch. How did you find today's game against a really good St. Catherine High School team?
Well, I think today's game was a really good game. We come out and perform well, fight to the end.
And how did you see it?
Well, it was a very difficult game all around the board, and St. Catherine really put up a fight. And I like the challenge that they gave us, but they didn't really bring down our team. And I'm really proud of the team and everyone showing up and rising to the occasion and playing well.
Alright, so from an outfield player, when St. Catherine came out and it's almost like they wanted to rile you guys up, putting in some hard fouls. How did you react to it, and how was the team feeling after getting those tackles?
Well, I can feel from the team like the pressure really, because there's so much tackles, there was so much fouls that were just given away, and then everyone there just getting frustrated at the same time. And I think that we really could have stopped those fouls from happening a lot, but everyone was just anxious to really just fight for the goals and all that, so I'm proud of them still.
Alright, Bernard, you are the leader of this team, or one of the leaders of this team. Speak to us about the leadership that we saw from you and Dante and Denzel. It seems like you guys have a good relationship on the pitch. Speak to me about that leadership group that you guys have here, and what caused that?
Well, being captain for 3 years now, you just have to just set the pace and just talk to them and make them know, say, me and the man, just listen. So just,
Alright, and St. Catherine High School is a good measuring stick, one of the better teams in the competition. You guys saw yourself against them today. How do you feel about your team now? Better or worse since that you played one of the better teams?
We are better. You don't know about Mona High School now. Yeah.
Alright, Dante, and how do you feel about your team and your position in this year's Manning Cup?
I feel really confident, and I believe that we can go all the way.
Alright. Again, I like when you guys leave interviews and send message to your supporters, So tell them something after today's hard win, because this was a difficult one.
Everyone, just thank you for the support, the whole school, family, friends and all that, and just come up to the next match as well.
Alright, leave them with a word, Chich.
Believe and just have pride in the school, Mona High School.
Here we go from the leaders of this Mona High School Manning Cup team.